media penetration through the use of artificial intelligence technology and its impact on changing the image of the target persona of leaders and celebrities. An analytical study of one of the media fabrication videos on Twitter. Prof. Dr. Akram Faraj Abdul Hussein, Al-Rubaie. Al-Mustaqbal University, Iraq. Introduction. Although artificial intelligence technology has added advanced positive aspects to media practice in improving the method of journalistic presentation and delivery of material and achieving a high degree of persuasion, at the same time it has constituted a technology for penetration, dominance, and media influence by employing this technology for the purposes of psychological media dealing such as psychological warfare and propaganda for the denial of opponents or destroying them, confronting counter-propaganda, revealing counter-extremist electronic content, and trying to penetrate traditional journalism and change its style as developments in the technologies available on the international network, the Internet, especially in information technology, have allowed these features to be exploited in media penetration with the aim of direct influence and indirectly on those individuals communicating through this space and exploiting their psychological side, especially in times of crises, which are fertile ground for highlighting its many different methods of propaganda and spreading rumors and practicing the process of media misinformation, intellectual modification, and human brainwashing of the user and reprogramming him and trying to adapt him according to specific goals of before her exploiter. This study examines the use of artificial intelligence techniques, including the deep fake feature, to penetrate the media. It explores how artificial intelligence techniques affect the dissemination of information and the formation of public perceptions, especially with regard to leaders and celebrities. This research delves into the intersection between technology and the influence of the media and studies its effects on strategies, communication, and social dynamics. The study followed the steps of the descriptive approach in analysis and commentary and used the qualitative content analysis method using the analysis form tool to collect data and information. A deliberate sample was chosen from media fabrication videos on YouTube, represented by the video of the virtual phone call between former U.S. President Trump and the Iraqi president, the former Saddam Hussein, and the study reached a number of results, including the media penetration of the characters mentioned in the video using artificial intelligence techniques, especially the use of the deep fake feature, that contributed to changing the type of the targeted image of these characters. The results also showed that the media hacker used 4 types of artificial intelligence techniques, especially the deep fake feature audio copying technology, fake image technology, fabricated text technology, and fabricated video technology. The study recommended the necessity of activating information detection methods using artificial intelligence techniques for fabricated videos that employed the deep fake feature, and media penetration of celebrities, leaders, and political figures. The explanatory theory of research. This study, within the framework of its theoretical, guiding, and interpretive structure, belongs to the theory of technological determinism by the Canadian philosopher Marshall McLuhan, who predicted the emergence of the World Wide Web 30 years before its invention. He considered in his theory that it is not possible to confirm the effects of media content in isolation from the technologies of the media themselves, and this is an acknowledgement of the role of the theory. Technologies help achieve the desired effect, as they provide insights into the development of means of communication and their effects on modern societies. Through his formulation of the hypothesis of the inevitable impact of technical means, McLuhan wanted to realize that the essence of technological means exceeds in its importance and affects the dimensions associated with its abstract uses. In his theory, McLuhan followed the example of essentialism theorists. The formal diversity of technology should not obscure the psychological, social, and cultural determinants that these technologies impose on us. Video analysis categories. Technical analysis. It includes artificial intelligence techniques that use deep fake techniques to produce a video of a supposed call between U.S. President Trump and former Iraqi President Saddam Hussein, as this call via this video gives an indication to the recipient or user of social media that Saddam Hussein is still alive and will end his sentence in a year. 2023 ad. And this video was analyzed using the qualitative method of content analysis. As follows: the first main category, sound and lip movement. In this video, the media hacker used audio copy technology and lip faking applications available through artificial intelligence technology. The voice of former U.S. President Trump appeared as he answered the call of former Iraqi President Saddam Hussein as if the call was real, as the media hacker used artificial intelligence technology to invert the facts. Promoting information made many doubt the previous information, even though Saddam Hussein had been executed since 2006, but the effect of this video came out as if it was real, that the call was real, and that the events used in it were close to persuasive, which means that artificial intelligence technology achieved the perpetrator of the media hack, whether it was a media institution or an entity or an individual whose goals, whether these goals are to divert public opinion's attention or to reverse the facts, etc. These are old propaganda methods that were employed in a technological communication manner and with high technologies through applications available on the internet and mobile phones for users to simulate the voices of celebrities. The second main category, the language used in fabricated texts. Here, the media hacker used the language models present in computers to create various texts that could be exploited by opponents. Thus, the media hacker used the fabricated text technique, which was represented by Trump's response to Saddam in this video about the message he wanted to send to the Arabs, and Saddam's response in this fabricated call about he will return after the end of his sentence in 2024 ad. And he is more than 84 years old, but he still has tricks to return, and he hopes that this video reaches every honorable Iraqi. The third main category, the personality category. The virtual phone call in this video took place between only two personalities who are considered celebrities in the world of politics, and it seems that the media hacker's indications of employing the deep fake feature in artificial intelligence technology were clear in arousing the attention of users on social networking sites, as this video received very high views. Recommendations. 1. The necessity of activating information detection methods using artificial intelligence techniques for fabricated videos that employed deep fakes and media penetration of celebrities, leaders, and political figures. 2. Directing media institutions, media professionals, and even individuals to adhere to professional standards and media honor codes, and to refrain from exploiting communication technology and artificial intelligence techniques for the purposes of fabrication and falsification. 3. Encouraging media professionals to invest in positive techniques of artificial intelligence and employ them in serving society. 4. Awareness of the negative effects resulting from the use of the deep fake feature of artificial intelligence and its use by media infiltration of personalities.